Next, our 12th experiment is simulation of linear block codes and cyclic codes. So both are error controlling schemes. So our 12th experiment is simulation of linear block codes and cyclic error control coding. So in digital communication, 5th unit we have studied, right? So error control coding we have studied. What is the need for our coding schemes? So எதுக்காக பேசிக்காக நம்ம coding schemesக்கு போவோம்? So while transmitting a data in terms of digital, so digital zeros and ones நம்ம transmit பண்ண போச்சுல, there may be chances for error or loss of data. So errorக்கான chances இருக்கு, also loss of data miss ஆகிறதுக்கான chances இருக்கு. So இதை retrieve பண்றதுக்காக channel encoder ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு a block has been introduced in our digital communication block. So இந்த digital communication channel encoder block is introduced. So இந்த channel encoder blocks என்ன பண்ணும்? They will add an extra bits to the message bits. So அந்த extra bits redundant bits அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So நம்மளோட message bitsல extra bits will be added due to the presence of channel encoder. So after that, channel decoder will retrieve the original information, avoiding or discarding the redundant bits எல்லாம் discard பண்ணிட்டு original information bits மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணிடும்? It will retrieve. So for this purpose, for this channel encoding, there are two types of codes mainly used. So we have already studied block codes and convolutional codes. These are the two major types of codes which are used in digital communication channel encoder schemes. So here block codes என்ன பண்ணும்? Block of data. So n, k is a general block code or size. Here n represents the total number of bits code words transmitting, and k represents the message. எவ்வளோ அந்த மொத்த code wordsல how many amount of message is there, which is indicated by our k. So this composed structure block is known as block codes. So next is our convolutional coding. So for a coding operation in discrete form, discrete in the sense 0 to 1, between those values, each and every particular period of time the value will be analyzed. So for that cases, discrete time convolutional operation is used. So those codes which uses those operations are called as convolutional codes. So then again our codes are again classified into two types based upon their linear property. So linearity in the sense what they mean here, if the two code words are how the linear property, if we add those two codes, the resultant output will be third code word. The third code word will also possess the property of our linear code. So this is the principle behind our linear codes. So the codes which satisfies the linear property are called as linear codes. So these linear block codes can be used for error control. Okay, so we have already discussed in our theory classes. So those we are going to write a code. So using using MATLAB we are going to write a code for our linear block codes or also for our cyclic codes. So then we are going to get the output. So the mathematical output MATLAB we are going to see. So this is for our linear block codes. For our cyclic codes, the codes which satisfies the property of cyclic nature. Cyclic nature in the sense what they mean here. So those codes which possesses the cyclic property. Cyclic property in the sense every cyclic shift over the shift பண்ணும்போது அந்த code word third produce ஆகுற அந்த answer code word should be a valid code word இருக்கும். So that code word will satisfy the property of linearity as well as this cyclic shift. Those code words are called as cyclic codes. Okay, so already நம்ம பார்த்தது தான் theoryல detailed describe பண்ணது தான் 15 minutes. So here we are going to write a code. நம்ம MATLABல for this linear codes as well as cyclic codes separator we are going to write the code. So I'm going to open MATLAB. Already I have typed the code here. So here linear codes. First I'm going to start with linear codes. So as usual CLC and clear all. Then instruction, definition or else instruction. So what we are going to write, so that one I have written here. So next your row values. Display is a new command word. So இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம displayங்கிற command word பார்த்திருக்க மாட்டேன். So உங்களோட MATLABல DISP. So அது எதுக்காக அப்படின்னா command windowல we are going to display our output. நம்ம output இப்போ calculation தான், mathematical calculation தான் we are going to see in the command window. So any simulation results graphical representation results கிடையாது. We are going to type the code, we are going to save it, we are going to simulate, run it, then we are getting the output using the command window. So command window ல நம்ம பார்க்கறதுக்காக இது வரைக்கும் graphical representation graph plot பார்க்கறதுக்காக plotங்கிற code word யூஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி command window ல we are going to get the output. So அதுக்கு என்ன பார்க்க போறோம், இந்த keyword we are going to use. So here என்ன display ஆகணும், first generator matrix. As usual linear coding நாலே you know generator matrix is important matrix. So அது என்ன பண்ணும், it will generate a set of message bits, எல்லா possible message bits it will generate in terms of matrix, rows and column element it will be that. So அதை என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், pre-planned specific I have given here. Then display of disp of g in the sense நம்ம இங்க type பண்ணி வச்சிருக்க define பண்ணி வச்சிருக்க நம்மளோட generator matrix. So next we are going to generate order, அதோட order we are going to find. So நம்ம கொடுக்குற generator matrixக்கு நம்மளோட code என்ன produce பண்ணி கொடுக்கணும், order. So order தான் n, k, already you know that. So that formula here it is, size of the transpose matrix. So this is the formula code we are using in MATLAB. So the transpose matrix, G க்கு transpose எடுத்த matrix ஓட size in the sense அதோட row element length and column elements ஓட length. So next our code word ஓட length separate we have to see the code word, right? So code word தனியா பார்க்கணும், message நம்மளோட parity bits எல்லாம் தனியா பார்க்கணும். So for that I have written here code word length and parity bit length. So then iteration, as usual iteration going to start. So iteration எதுக்காக நம்ம start பண்றோம், நம்மளோட check bits C0, C1, C2, C3 இந்த possible check bits. So அதை என்ன பண்ணணும், we are going to generate. For that I'm using this. Then also for message bits வந்து நம்ம specified generator matrix கொடுத்த மாதிரி கொடுக்க போறது இல்ல. Using the condition we are going to generate the message bits. Then possible code vectors, code vector also I have used this condition, C is equal to remainder of. So message generator multiply ஆகி then it should be divided by 2. Why? It is modulo operation. So XOR operation நம்ம சொல்லி படிப்போம்ல, message bitக்கும் generator message matrixக்கும் நம்மளோட generator matrixக்கும் we will perform the operation of modulo 2. அதுதான் எனக்கு XOR operation சொல்லுவேன். So அதுதான் here I have written like that, divided by 2 அதோட remainder னு சொல்லிட்டு I have written. So this is the concept behind our MATLAB. So MATLABல there are some syntax இந்த மாதிரி தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்ட்டு available there. So direct XOR I have not given. ரெண்டையும் multiply பண்ணி so அதோட divided by 2 பண்ண value ஓட remainder is my check bit C value. So next daemon value, already you know Hamming distance. So that எப்படி நம்ம calculate பண்ணுவோம், இருக்கிறதுல minimum சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம that we can choose எது minimum சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம choose பண்ணிக்கலாம். But here in coding we are supposed to write a condition. So this is the condition for that. Then we are going to display that one. So next generation பண்ணியாச்சு. Next we are going to retrieve the information, original message decode பண்ணணும், as well as error எதுவும் இருக்கான்னு சொல்லிட்டு அந்த syndrome என்ன பண்ணணும், we have to calculate. So அதுக்கு so I have given the code word and the answer I have given, இதான் message bits ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு I have given. So அந்த message bits again நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணி syndrome calculate பண்ணுவோம்ல, right? So அந்த syndrome calculationக்கு here it is the syndrome calculation condition. Then error எந்த bitல இருக்குன்னு I have to see. Then corrected code word also I have to see. So I'm going to save it. Then I'm running. Then I'm going to check the command window. So command window la poi check பண்றேன். Here we are getting the output at the command window. So first initial our generator matrix. So the நம்ம predefined we have defined in our coding. So அது display ஆயிருக்கு. Then order of the linear matrix la code word oda length. So length of the code word we have got parity, then possible message bits. So the condition kulla it has generated. Then this is the table, right? நம்ம வந்து தியரிட்டிக்கலா நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணுவோம்ல, ஜெனரேட்டட் நம்மளோட மெசேஜ் பிட்ஸ் நம்மளோட செக் பிட்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் மொத்தமா டேபுலர் காலம்ல we used to do. ஸோ அதே தான் எனக்கு ஹியர் நமக்கு ஜென்ரேட் ஆகி வந்திருக்கு யூசிங் தோஸ் கண்டிஷன். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஹியர் ஹேமிங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் உனக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும். ஹேமிங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் நம்ம எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணுவோம், பாசிபிள் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஒன்ஸ் how many number of ones இருக்கோ அதை வச்சு தான் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஹேமிங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் we used to calculate. So after calculation, which is the minimum value of Hamming distance, that is the answer for our daemon. So that also we have calculated. Then our parity check matrix, H matrix is the parity check matrix, which is nothing but another generator matrix la ulla P transpose ko I ku generate பண்றது நம்மளோட parity check matrix. So for syndrome calculation H transpose is needed. So that also we have generated as an output. Then syndrome also generated. So error is in third bit. So corrected code word, நம்ம கொடுத்த code word la third bit மட்டும் என்ன இருக்கு, correct ஆகி generate ஆயிருக்கு. So this is the case for our linear codes, error controlling coding scheme la linear codes la generator matrix we have seen. Next அதோட entire tabulation, next Hamming distance, next parity check matrix, Next syndrome calculation, corrected code word. So similarly, we are going to see for our cyclic codes. Here I have already written the cyclic codes. So next we are going to see about cyclic codes. So as you know already, it is a cyclic codes or a subclass of our linear block codes. So linear codes oda ஒரு type தான் cyclic codes. So those codes which satisfy the property of linearity as well as cyclic shift. ரெண்டு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியும் satisfy பண்ற codes தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், cyclic codes ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். So in our linear block codes, message bits, century, generator bits, everything we will represent using matrix representation. So இதோட எல்லா elements இந்த rows and columns எழுதி message bits எல்லாத்தையுமே matrix formல you will represent. Here in our cyclic codes என்ன பண்ணுவோம், we will use polynomial. So x square, x power 3, இந்த மாதிரி polynomial terms யூஸ் பண்ணி we will represent. So generator term, generator polynomial we will describe, and our message sequencing we will convert it to our message polynomial. So everything we will mention using polynomial. So this is the difference between our linear codes as well as cyclic codes. So here first of all I am going to generate a parity matrix as well as generator matrix for our 7,4. So 7,4 in the sense 7 is our n value, n the entire block oda value. 4 in the sense 4 only the message bits oda value. So here initially இதெல்லாம் generate பண்ணிட்டு after that என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அதை வந்து we will convert into a polynomial term and then encode. So encoding we will use the cyclic encoder. So here first hamgen என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா, every code word க்கும் ஒவ்வொரு code wordலையும் ஒவ்வொரு code wordல உள்ள ஒவ்வொரு elementsக்கும் it will compare with the previous element கூட it will compare and returns the value. So என்ன வேல்யூவை ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா, ஹேமிங் கோட் எப்படி வந்து ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வேல்யூ நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணுவோமோ சேம் திங் it will return the value after comparing with its neighbor. So ஒவ்வொரு parity check matrixலயும் உள்ள m and n elements எல்லா matrixையும் it will return back if you use this code word. So return back எதுக்காக பண்ணணும், because we used to create the Hamming code. So default இருக்கிற அந்த polynomial termsக்கு we are supposed to create the Hamming code. So for this we are using that. Then here also generator polynomial, for our generator polynomial 1 plus x cube. So in the polynomial I am going to generate the Hamming code. So this is the syntax behind our coding. So in MATLAB code Hamming code generate பண்ணனும் அப்படின்னா this is the instruction code word hamgen. Then I am going to generate for the 1001. So 1001 எதை மீன் பண்ணுது, நம்மளோட generator polynomial 1x cube. So 1 is available here. So coefficient 1 I have written here. Then x power 3 is available here. So I have written here 1. Then x power 2 is not available here. So I have written 0. Then x power 1 is available here. So I have written 1. So next computation of code vector. So first என்ன பண்ண போறோம், code vector generate பண்ண போறோம். So this is our message sequences. Next for code. So encoding is a general operation used in MATLAB. So என்ன கோடுக்கு நம்ம encode பண்ண போறோம்ங்கறத we have to pass as an argument. Argument pass பண்ணனும். So here message is an argument, n is an argument, k is an argument. Cyclic is the one code word we are going to use. So next we are going to display அந்த message எல்லாம் என்ன நம்ம encode பண்ண answers எல்லாம் என்ன display ஆகும். So I have mentioned here. So next நம்ம encode பண்ண values என்ன ஆகணும், decode ஆகணும். So அதுக்கு தான் hamgen, already நம்ம hamgen predefined define பண்ணிருக்கோம். So next then what you are supposed to do is you have to correct the vector. So எந்த இடத்துல syndrome இருக்குங்கிறத calculate பண்ணிட்டு then என்ன பண்ணணும், அதை correct பண்ணணும். So அதுக்கு this is the code instruction code. Then here reminder. So corrected code wording, received code wording add பண்ணி so அதுக்கு modulo to operation perform பண்ணதோட reminded value தான் என்னது நம்மளோட corrected value. So this is the concept. Then I am going to run it. I am going to check the command window and here I have got the output. So this is our received value and our syndrome is this one. Then parameters, then code vector, our corrected code word. So receive on a code word la what is the error here, it is the error, right, second bit. So receive another 1041 and 1, but we have the error at the 7th decimal. So the 7th bit alone changed.